What does it mean to find yourself? Recently, I had a conversation with a friend that gave me an insightful definition of what find yourself could mean. For her, she was returning to her home country after being in Japan for a while, and she was saying how the old version of her now is about to face the new version of her, and they're about to meet and have a conversation. For me, when I heard of this version of finding yourself, I thought it was extremely insightful, and I thought to try it for myself, but instead, a different version. How about me in Kyoto, this is Kyoto, and me in Tokyo. I spent 30 days in Kyoto 2 months ago, and then 30 days in Tokyo recently. So I had a session where I just had a conversation with myself, the Tokyo me and the Kyoto me. And from there, I was trying to take the best parts of both worlds to forge a new me. It's less of maybe a find yourself session in the sense like, okay, you're trying to discover like who you are, right? Like what you like about yourself in certain places, what you dislike. And then from there, it's more like forging yourself rather than finding yourself, because you're trying to take the best pieces from both or any world, any version of you, and sort of merge it together. So that's what I ended up doing for my exercise of finding myself. So an example of the conversation I had, let's say this is Kyoto me and this is Tokyo me. So Kyoto me would tell myself how I was consistent with piano, like practicing, and then also consistent with exercise. And then Tokyo me would tell me how I was basically just doing this YouTube challenge for the entire time and was very inconsistent with those things, but at the same time learning a lot and learning a lot of good, valuable lessons that I think both sides can take and merge into a new me that will have that consistency as well as the lessons I learned from the chaos. So that's kind of the idea of finding yourself first, like discovering what was I like here, what was I like there, what's the new me, the old me, whatever versions of you. It doesn't have to be from different places or different countries. It can just be from different years or times or anything. And then after that conversation happens, you merge whatever you find is the best parts of those versions. That is the forging of yourself that I've been trying to do recently. Of course, a lot of it is just all talk. It's just you mentally prepping and thinking, how can I become a more ideal version of myself? And of course, a lot of factors are going to determine like whether or not you can forge that new self. But to me, it seems like a better sort of way of saying it versus finding yourself, just because part of me have always heard that phrase and felt like it was slightly off. And I think it's because I don't like the aspect of which like it almost seems as if you're doing this search for yourself rather than like trying to actively shape who you are. I think a lot of my 30-day challenges, my challenges in general are like more so for forging rather than finding. But of course, I still go through a lot of finding as well. But the difference in terminology is just semantics mainly. But I do think it kind of helps with like directing your mind sometimes. So that is a recent experience I had with the phrase finding yourself that I wanted to share with you guys because I thought it was insightful. Honestly, I really enjoyed that exercise, and I feel like it's going to be very helpful for once I do return back to America. So I'm hoping that the exercise can also be helpful to some of you guys out there. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.